In this video, we're going to demonstrate how to create sheets within Snaptrude. To begin, click on the Present tab. Once you've done that, a new environment will load where you can create sheets. You can use your Snaptrude project files like renders, plans, and programs directly from Snaptrude itself. Furthermore, you can add images saved on your system onto the sheet here. Let's delve into the process of creating a sheet within Snaptrude. To do this, click on the plus button from the left side Sheets panel or the New Sheet button from the top toolbar. Once you click here, a new sheet gets created. From here, you can choose the size of the sheet that you want. All these sizes adhere to architectural standards. For this demonstration, we're going to choose ANSI E. You also have the option to select the orientation of your sheet, whether you want it in portrait or landscape. And lastly, you can decide if you want to include a margin and what size that margin should be. For this example, we'll choose a 1/4 inch margin. You can easily change the order of your sheets by simply dragging and dropping them in the Sheets panel. If you need to delete a sheet, just click on that specific sheet and hit the Delete button on your keyboard. Now let's add views created in the project onto the sheet here. Begin by clicking on the Views tab from the left panel. Now, simply drag and drop the plan, 3D view, or render from the list into the sheet. Let's select a plan view here to add to the sheet. You can adjust the scale of the view according to your preference. Additionally, you have the option to double-click on the view and crop it. The image can also be scaled using the edge or vertex of the selection box that appear when you click on the view. You can repeat this process with any view in the Views panel, including AI renders. Just drag and drop them to the sheet. If you wish to import images from outside of your Snaptrude project, that is, directly from your system, click on the Assets button from the top toolbar. The control tools available on the image allow you to adjust its size as well as crop as shown previously. You can also copy elements from other sheets onto your new sheets. To do this, press the Alt button on your keyboard and drag and drop it onto the other sheet or on the canvas directly. Alternatively, use shortcuts Ctrl-C and Ctrl-V. Custom shapes such as rectangles, circles, triangles, and various others can be drawn using the drop-down from top toolbar. Text can be added as well. Specify where you want the text to start and begin typing as needed. Once your text is complete, adjust its size from the right-hand toolbar. Further adjust the text size by adjusting the selection box. The color of the text or any drawn objects can be changed using the color palette from the right-hand toolbar. You can easily customize the fonts from the 4 options available and adjust the justification as per your needs. This can also be applied to any custom images or shapes you've added in Snaptrude. For instance, you can modify this rectangle to be transparent or filled and select the color of your choice. Using this slider, you can adjust the transparency level or make it completely solid. Once you've finished designing your sheets, you can export them with a simple click on the Export button located at the top right corner of your screen. You have the option to name your file. Select the sheets you want to export, and if these should be all in a single PDF. Finally, click on the Export button and a new PDF will be downloaded onto your computer. Learn more about this in the Export Sheets tutorial. In this manner, create and edit sheets on Snaptrude.